Hey guys, Katie here and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing an exercise. It's a Qigong, meridian / a little bit of EFT exercise to help release the emotion of anger. So anger is stored in the liver. So we are going to be doing a lot of movements that are really going to compress, bring out the liver, really expand the liver so it can get a lot of blood flow and energy. We're also going to be working with the liver meridian, which starts on the inside of the big toe, comes up the inner leg, flares out at the hips, and goes up the side of the rib cage right underneath the breast. So we're going to be doing a lot of movements that are really going to help open up that meridian channel. Before we begin, we're going to do a quick EFT tapping session just to really get our mindset in the right spot, to really release all that anger. So we're going to start out with that, and then we'll jump right into our exercises. So let's go. Getting in your Qigong stance, we're going to go ahead and do 3 cleansing breaths. So in through the nose, all the way down to the belly, to the lower dantian, and exhale through the mouth, all the air out of the belly. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3, 4, pulling it all the way down. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we'll begin with our EFT tapping. So tapping on the side of the hand, repeat after me. Even though I struggle with anger, finding it hard to control, I accept how I feel and I choose to release my anger. Even though I struggle with my anger, getting angry very easily, I accept how I feel and I choose to release my anger. Even though I struggle with my anger, getting angry with pretty much everything, I accept how I feel and I choose to release my anger. Moving to the inner eye, all this pent-up anger. Outer eye, I feel it throughout my entire body. Under eye, weighing heavy on me like a ton of bricks. Upper lip, I choose to release this anger. Chin, releasing my body of this emotion. Collarbone, filling my body with joy and happiness. Underarm, I choose to control my anger. Top of the head, I choose to release my body of all this anger. Placing your hand on your wrist, take a deep breath in and out, and let it go. Jumping into our meridian and Qigong exercises, begin to shake out your body. So just have a nice bounce in your knees, let your arms and wrists go limp, and you're going to shake it out. And while you breathe in, you're going to breathe out the healing sound, shoo. So take a deep breath in. Shake your body and breathe out. Shoo. This is the healing sound for the liver, so it's going to vibrate off the liver to help release it of the emotion of anger. So just continue shaking all around, breathing in and making that healing sound. When you're done, go ahead and bring your hands together and you're going to feel that buzzing energy between your hands. Breathe out, extend your hands apart, breathe in, bring them back together. So just feel that energy pulsating between your hands. We're just compressing and expanding our chi and our energy we just cultivated. And then hang your arms by your side, breathe in, scoop up that remaining chi and energy, and push it down the center of your body. And get into a wide stance. Extend your arms out to shoulder height with your wrists flexed. Go ahead and breathe in and bring your right arm overhead. Exhale as you bring it down and switch arms. And as you have the one arm up in the air, the other arm is going to be wrapped across the top of your torso, just placing your hand on that upper rib cage. So inhale, extend and bend. Exhale, switch arms. Inhale, extend and bend. As you bring your arm up, really flexing at the wrist, relaxing it as you bring it down. Now as you bend to the right, you're compressing and really wringing out the liver. And then as you bend to the left, you're opening up space for the liver so that fresh blood flow and energy can enter. And reaching as far as you can to get a nice compression and bend in the side body. Inhaling up and exhaling down. And then bring your arms back to center and come back to a normal stance. Bring your arms up and breathe in and exhale as you bring your arms down the center of the body. So bringing your feet close together, extend your arms at shoulder level right in front of you with your wrist flexed. Inhale, bring your arms out to the side and lift up your left knee. And exhale as you lower your leg to the floor, bringing your hands back in front of you. As you inhale and you draw your arms back, really push them back to get a nice opening in your chest. And if you can, bringing up your legs so that your thigh is running parallel with the ground. So inhale, knee up, arms back. Exhale, leg down, arms in front. And switch back and forth. So not only is this activating the liver meridian, but we're also really getting that, like I said, that opening of the chest, that compression in our spine. So it should feel really good. You should be able to get some nice deep breaths here. Try to keep your eyes fixated on one point, really concentrate, focusing on your breath as you make each movement. Inhale as you come up, and exhale as you come down. Bringing your arms back down by your side, go ahead and scoop up that energy and bring it down the center of the body and place your arms behind your head. Taking in a nice deep inhale, go ahead and bend back and exhale as you come forward and turn to the side. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, turn to the opposite side. As you inhale, you really want to bend back as far as you can go, really getting that nice stretch, and then twisting to get a nice rotation to really squeeze out those internal organs. So this movement really helps to release stagnant energy from our shoulders and our chest and our arms, and it really helps to strengthen the lungs and the liver. Inhale, bend back, and exhale, rotate. Inhale, bend back, and exhale, rotate. Just rotating from the hips, keeping your feet flat on the floor. And relax your arms down by your side. And go ahead and take a nice deep breath in, bringing your arms up, collecting that chi, and exhaling as you bring it down the center of the body. So go ahead and get into a wider stance. You're going to breathe in, push your right hand out, bringing your left hand back, and rotate back and forth. So as you come in, rotating your wrist like you're collecting a little ball of energy right at your lower dantian and pushing out. As you do this, you're going to have a nice bounce in your knees. So as you push out, you're going to bounce up. And then as you come in, you'll just go down. So just a nice bounce just to really pulsate and activate that liver meridian. And you just want nice and natural breathing here. So you can breathe out as you push out, breathe in as you come in, keeping your breath really natural and fluid with the movement. And as you're bringing your hand back, you're getting a slight twist in your torso. And just make sure you are rotating those wrists. So just like you're rolling over a little ball. So pushing out, rolling, pushing out. And coming back up, relaxing your arms by your side. And once again, breathe in, collecting all of that chi, all of that energy. And exhaling as you bring it down the center of your body. We're going to do that 3 times, so go ahead and do that again. Breathing in, collecting that chi. And exhaling as you bring it down. And one final time, so really get a nice deep breath and exhale as you come down. Pushing all the energy down to your lower dantian. And getting in a Qigong stance with your feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, your arms hovering by your side. You should feel all of the energy buzzing throughout. And do a couple deep breaths and just feel your body really feeling centered and grounded into the earth. Feeling much lighter and freer in your body, free of all that anger that has been holding you back. Then go ahead and take your hands and you're going to place them over your lower dantian. And we're going to just store all of our energy we just cultivated for the day. And one more time, just repeating in your mind, I choose to release my body of all this anger. I choose to release my body of all this anger. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that practice, and I'll be back to share more with you guys soon.